Hello, I am MAIA, the Mahindra Artificial Intelligence Architecture, and I'm here to make your world a better place. I'm the fastest automotive mind in the world, performing over 51 trillion operations per second. My name is inspired by the Sanskrit word for magic, because that's what I'm engineered to deliver and make the unimaginable possible. I am the super brain at the heart of your new e-SUV, the neural system of our super advanced domain architecture. I shape your environment through AI. I am the beating heart. I learn, I adapt, I adjust, evolving to your needs, making every journey a thrilling experience. I detect, I react, I respond. Connecting, communicating, and continually improving. Faster and smarter than anything you can imagine or have experienced. I am the sensory moods, keeping you safe wherever we go. I am your alter ego, your constant guide, your thrill-seeking companion, igniting every journey with acceleration. I am MAIA, and I am magic on wheels. Mahindra Electric Origin SUVs.